What's up? It's your big brother Tren Genius, and you tuned in once again to the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we do right. Man, listen, all right? You watching this video because you know something that I already know, all right? If you consider yourself a chosen one, it ain't no way that you should not have no money, okay? You got to have money. You got to be rich. You are destined to be rich if you consider yourself a chosen one. All right. Most chosen people either grow up in a family of poverty, either are raised by people with a lack mindset, with poverty mindset, with a broke mindset. And chances are it probably rubbed off on you until you started to realize, hey, this is not for me. This is not the lifestyle for me. I can't even be creative. I can't even go where I want to go. I can't even be who I want to be. Why? Because I don't have the provisions. I don't have the money to do such a thing. Well, listen. Okay, you got to say it one more time, man. Listen, in this video, I'm about to tell you why it's very important for you to have money as a chosen one. You got to be rich. It's your birthright. It's your destiny. You got to be prosperous. You got to be abundant, meaning you got to have more than just one of everything. That's what you are, a chosen one. All right. So stay tuned throughout this whole entire video. It's your big brother Tren once again. I got something special for you at the very end of this video. Also, Starseed, stay tuned. All right. But anyway, one thing you got to understand is that riches is your right. All right. That's your birthright. All right. I keep saying it over and over. Some of you are reincarnated queens and reincarnated kings. OK, you supposed to be rich. You supposed to be wealthy. That's why you always been feeling it in your gut. Like, man, I got to have a lot of money. Like something ain't right, man. I feel like I'm already up here, but it's like my environment or my lifestyle don't align up with what I'm thinking up here. All right. That's because as a chosen one, all the knowledge and all the intelligence and all the smart that you have, you got to learn how to turn all that into money. OK, that's what big bro here learned how to do. I learned how to do that on my journey. I learned how to turn all of my creativeness or whatever you want to call it. We making up words today. Okay. I turn all my creative juices into how to make money. Okay. And this is something that nobody never taught me. See, they never told you how to make money. Okay. You matter of fact, you probably saw everybody make a lot of money, but you never had the big break. All right. You probably saw everybody get the win and scratch off and, win the pick 3, pick 4, pick 5, pick 8, pick 9, whatever. You probably saw everybody always get big breaks, but you never got a big break. You might ask yourself, well, why didn't I ever get a big break? The reason why you didn't get a big break is because to whom much is given, much is expected. I'm going to say that one more time. To whom much is given, much is expected. Meaning it was a lot of people that went before you and got their big break. They got their big money breakthroughs. They got their new houses and the new cars and stuff like that. But you was always the one getting the short end of the stick. The reason why the universe does this is because if you are very smart, if you very smart, which I know you are, if you still tuned into this video, if you were chosen one, all right, this means that you got to utilize everything that you was given to come up with ways to make money. All right. This is why I always be telling y'all, if you haven't got my Money Vortex part 1, part 2, part 3, I literally tell you how to make money in the way that the chosen one or the star seed can make money. All right. I'm going to tell you this. There's a secret behind money. OK, there's a science behind how you make money. It is not for you to work for. All right. If you were chosen one, I'm going to say that one more time. If you consider yourself a chosen one, making money is not to be made for you working. All right. That's why some of y'all, if you work, if you got a job or whatever, that's why you always feel like, yo, why am I here? What am I doing this for? Why am I working for somebody? I'm not going to fall in line. I'm not going to listen to what somebody tell me to do all my life. The reason why you feel like that is because riches is already your birthright. You are already assigned to have riches. You already assigned to have money. The only thing you got to do, chosen one, is you got to attract the money to you. It's very simple. All right. Shouts out to all my people out there who did purchase the Money Vortex part 1, part 2, part 3. Some of y'all hit me up was like, big brother Tren, bro, this registered with me, bro. Like, I don't know what's about it, but it registered with me, dog. I finally understand what I've been doing wrong the whole time. And that's what my money vortex does. It makes the light bulb in your head just go off, just like I did, okay? Because I used to always wonder, like, why am I so broke? I was very talented, very smart. You know what I mean? I was a good student, you know what I'm saying? And all this and that, you know, but school didn't apply for me. I hated college. I dropped out. You know what I mean? I didn't understand books. Like, I don't want to learn mathematics and English and social studies. I don't want to do this. Something's not right about it. It's not real, you know? And look, we was right, because it ain't real. It's not even necessity nowadays. It's not even useful in today's world. Am I right or am I wrong? Okay? So they teach you to make money by working. Okay? That's the slave mentality shit. All right. They teach you got to go get you a job. That was the new thing when I was growing up. It was like, if you ain't got a job, if you ain't working, then you're not successful, Tren. Oh, you got a job. Yeah. Oh, my God, you got a job. We so happy for you. Yeah, let's throw a party, y'all. You got a job. That's broke people shit. That's broke people shit. That's what broke people do. But when you got that rich mindset, when you know how to attract money, you don't do nothing. You just sit with your feet up. You just kick your feet up and just chill. And the money is coming to you based on the multiple streams of income that you are going to create after you get my money vortex, okay? Understand a tree. When you look at a tree, what do you see? You see a tree, you see the trunk, and then you see branches on the tree. The tree understands how to create multiple streams of income because first it starts in a trunk. I don't know what your gift is. I don't know what your calling, and I don't know what your vision is. But if you ain't got the trunk built first, okay? If you're not gaining no momentum in your trunk of your gift, of your purpose, the branches will not grow. The multiple streams of income will not grow, but they supposed to grow, okay? If you watching this video, I'm assuming that you got some type of business, you got some type of vision, passion, or purpose, or something like that. And see, that's what Big Brother here for. I teach you how to get the water for your tree, okay, so that it can actually grow and to create multiple streams of income, to create branches on that tree, all right? This is what it's all about, okay? You supposed to be rich. You don't supposed to work for nobody because you already have the mindset to know how to attract money. The universe is always working for you. The universe is going out and getting money for you. The universe goes out and get the people for you so that it can supply your financial status. All right. So if you haven't got my morning vortex, you need to get in contact with Big Bro and get my money vortex part 1, part 2, part 3. Simply just look in the very bottom in the comment section at the top comment and just shoot me an email and say, Big Bro, I want money vortex part 1, part 2, part 3. All right. I done gave it the most other star seeds already. Once again, shouts out to y'all that got it. Make sure y'all comment below and let everybody know how effective it is and how it has worked in your life and it has changed your financial status. All right. Once again, if you feel like you rich, okay, if you feel like you're going to be rich one day, if you feel like you're supposed to be successful, you will, okay? You will be rich. You will be successful. I'm just delivering a message, okay? But you got to have the mindset on how to attract money, okay? Money is just simply just energy. If you consider yourself an energetic being, you're an energy person, all right? You understand waves and vibrations and frequencies and stuff like that. Attracting this money is easy once you learn how to do it. Once you learn how to vortex money to you, it becomes easy for you to make money. And then you'll be looking back on your past like, yo, I was doing all of this to make some money. I was doing all this shit, packing all these boxes just to make a paycheck and in the week for Friday, all this shit for 2 weeks, and y'all paying me for 1 day? Huh? Where they do that at? If you want to get paid every day, if you want to vortex money and just make money come at you from all different directions, get my money vortex part 1, part 2, and part 3 today. It's your big brother Trenius. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Make sure you watch one of my other videos in the meantime. If you need a session with Big Bro, I talked to some of y'all this morning. Okay, I talked to some of y'all this morning. Shout out to my homeboy out there in Virginia. I just talked to him. Shouts out to my lady from Brooklyn, New York. Okay, shouts out to you, sis. But anyway, get in contact with Big Bro if you need a session with me today by clicking that link at the very top of the comments, that square link. Other than that, man, listen. They didn't teach you how to make money right. There's a different way to make money. All you got to do is attract it. Peace.